family relationships. Your aunt's child is your cousin. Your father's sister is your aunt. Your mother's sister is your aunt. Your uncle's child is your cousin. Your father's brother is your uncle. Your mother's brother is your uncle. Your mother's brother is your uncle. The son of your sister is your nephew. The son of your brother is your nephew. Your grandparent's grandchild is you. Your mother's aunt is your great-aunt. Your father's aunt is your great-aunt. Your child's child is your grandchild. Your spouse's aunt is your aunt-in-law. Your stepchild's parent is your spouse. Your stepchild's parent is your spouse. The daughter of your sister is your niece. Your father's uncle is your great-uncle. Your mother's uncle is your great-uncle. Your grandparent's child is your parent. The daughter of your brother is your niece. Your mother's mother is your grandmother. Your mother's father is your grandfather. Your father's mother is your grandmother. Your father's mother is your grandmother. Your spouse's uncle is your uncle-in-law. Your father's father is your grandfather. Your brothers and sisters are your siblings. The grandchild of your parents is your child. Your spouse's sister is your sister-in-law. Your spouse's mother is your mother-in-law. Your spouse's father is your father-in-law. The man who gave birth to you is your father. The man who gave birth to you is your father. Your parents' siblings are your aunts or uncles. Your step-parent's child is your step-sibling. Your parents' new spouse is your step-parent. Your sibling's child is your niece or nephew. Your spouse's brother is your brother-in-law. The woman who gave birth to you is your mother. Your parents' new spouse is your step-parent. The parent of your spouse is your parent-in-law. The parent of your spouse is your parent-in-law. Your parent's ex-spouse is your ex-step-parent. Your stepchild's child is your step-grandchild. Your grandchild's child is your great-grandchild. The grandchild of your grandparent is your sibling. Your spouse's ex-spouse is your ex-spouse-in-law. The child of your uncle or aunt is your first cousin. Your step-parents' parents are your step-grandparents. The child of your stepchild is your step-grandchild. Your great-grandparent's child is your grandparent. Your parents' grandparents are your great-grandparents. Your spouse's grandparent is your grandparent-in-law. The parent of your step-parent is your step-grandparent. Your spouse's step-parent is your step-parent-in-law. Your cousin's child is your first cousin once removed. The spouse of your grandchild is your grandchild-in-law. Your parent's cousin is your first cousin once removed. The father of your grandparent is your great-grandfather. Your step-grandparent's grandchild is your step-cousin. Your step-grandparent's grandchild is your step-cousin. The mother of your grandparent is your great-grandmother. Your child's step-parent is your child's step-parent. The boy who is from the same parent as you is your brother. Your step great-great-grandparent is your step-great-grandparent. Your sibling's spouse's sibling is your sibling-in-law. The girl who is from the same parent as you is your sister. Your child's spouse is your son-in-law or daughter-in-law. Your step-second cousin's child is your step-third cousin. Your step-sibling's child is your step-niece or step-nephew. Your step-sibling's child is your step-niece or step-nephew. Your grandparent's sibling is your great-aunt or great-uncle. The sibling of your step-parent is your step-aunt or step-uncle. Your sibling's spouse is your brother-in-law or sister-in-law. Your great-great-grandparent's child is your great-grandparent. The child of your step-sibling is your step-niece or step-nephew. The child of your first cousin is your first cousin once removed. The sibling of your grandparent is your great-aunt or great-uncle. Your great-aunt or great-uncle's grandchild is your second cousin. The parent of your great-grandparent is your great-great-grandparent. Your spouse's child from a previous relationship is your stepchild. Your step-great-grandparent's grandchild is your step-second cousin. Your great-grandparent's cousin is your first cousin thrice removed. Your step-great-great-grandparent is your step-great-great-grandparent. Your parent's sibling's spouse is your uncle-in-law or aunt-in-law. Your spouse's sibling's child is your niece-in-law or nephew-in-law. The sibling of your spouse's parents is your aunt-in-law or uncle-in-law. The son of your great-aunt or great-uncle is your first cousin once removed. Your great-great-great-grandparent's child is your great-great-grandparent. Your grandparent's step-sibling is your step-great-aunt or step-great-uncle. Your step-sibling spouse is your step-brother-in-law or step-sister-in-law. Your step-grandparent's sibling is your step-great-aunt or step-great-uncle. Your step-sibling's grandchild is your step-great-niece or step-great-nephew. The daughter of your great-aunt or great-uncle is your first cousin once removed. Your great-grandparent's sibling is your great-great-aunt or great-great-uncle. The parent of your great-great-grandparent is your great-great-great-grandparent. Your step-great-aunt or step-great-uncle's grandchild is your step-second cousin. Your great-grandparent's step-sibling is your step-great-great-aunt or step-great. Your great-grandparent's step-sibling is your step-great-great-aunt or step-great-great-uncle. Your great-great-grandparent's sibling is your great-great-great-aunt or great-great-great-uncle.